Using Vicryl 30, I will prefer the not to go inside the anus. ठीक है, सही है, for prevention of infection. Although it doesn't matter, सही है, basically it doesn't matter. So मैंने एक यहाँ आपको लगा के दिखा दिया, ठीक है, लग गया, सही, ये हो गया, right? Not should be, can be inside the rectum, right? ठीक है, ये हो गया. अब इसके बाद I will pick up the internal anal sphincter, which is white fleshy fibers. ठीक है, I will stitch it with Vicryl 30 or PDS 30 in an interrupted end-to-end fashion. ठीक है, right? So this is the internal anal sphincter. मैट्रेस से भी कर सकते हैं, जरूरत नहीं है आपको मैट्रेस की, जरूरत क्या है, इतना बड़ा होता है नहीं. उसके बाद the external anal sphincter will be identified by its red fleshy fibers, which will be a little lateral and to the internal anal sphincter, and I will do it with the overlap technique, right? Yes. So for the overlap technique, I will use the PDS 30 or the Vicryl 30, and I will go a little away from the edge on the left side, right? Outward in. Then I will go again outward in on the right side, but a little near the edge. ठीक है, सही है? Yes, ma'am. And then again I will come out near the edge, right? In a little vertical fashion, right? And then I will go again inside to out, away from the edge, back to where I started from, right? You can take 2 to 3 stitches because the breadth of the sphincter is 1.5 centimeters, and look, this is overlap. Beautiful. Right? Yeah. This is overlap. Then followed by, I will stitch up the vaginal mucosa, followed by the superficial and the deep transverse cranial muscles, and then the skin.
मैम आप मुझे म्यूकोसा को किस तरह कहते हैं, क्योंकि आप
तो एनोल म्यूकोसा अंदर करना होता है पास. ये भी मरियम में लिखा है, आप लोग गलत किताब पढ़ रहे हैं. अंदर फुल थिकनेस म्यूकोसा नहीं, बिल्कुल अंदर से बाहर. ठीक है,
हमने पढ़ा था एनोल के नाम
मरियम पढ़ रहे हैं ना आप लोग.
नहीं करना है.